My name is Kit Harington and this is my GQ Australia cover shoot. Favourite role to date would be Jon Snow in Game of Thrones. I mean, I'll let you figure out the why. Biggest lesson learned was from my father, and it was an optimist is a pessimist without all the facts. The most important thing to me right now is my vegetable garden. It gives me peace and serenity and I love it, and it's my new joy in life. If there's one thing I could change in the world, I would change, barring certain political leaders, just Manchester United to start winning again. I feel honoured to be part of Dolce & Gabbana, the One family, and I have enjoyed it immensely, and it is great fun, and I just feel very, very blessed.